start with today's news. Monsoon's uneven march could fuel food inflation. That will lead to food prices increases. It was said by the chief economist. This comes under GS1 geography, also in agriculture. So the southern peninsula, particularly the Deccan Plateau and the eastern region, continue to have a below normal rains, and for that reasons the consequence of this that actually lead to the lower agricultural productivity, particularly in rices and pulses, though this will increase in the prices of these crops according to the recent economic researches. So for prelims you need to study about the kharif crops, that is primarily harvested during the season of September or October, and these crops are also referred to as the monsoon crops because they are sown or planted during the monsoon season. These crop seeds are sown at the beginning of the monsoon season and harvested at the end of the monsoon season. The cycle of these crops varies from state to state. Major field crops cultivated in kharif season like cereals, oil seeds, pulses and commercial crops. Recently this have been asked in the question, like with reference to cultivation of kharif crops in the last 5 years. So area under rice cultivation is the highest, yes, true. Jowar is more than the oil seed. Actually this question is basically from economic survey. So it is very mandatory that if you want to make sure that you are attending all the economic question in the prelims, then definitely you have to go through the economic survey book. Next, a fusion of rock art in Andhra Pradesh, Rudragiri. This comes under GS1 art and culture. So Rudragiri hillock located in the village of Orvakalu, and it is located in Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. So there they unveil a combination of prehistoric rock painting that is belong to the Mesolithic period, and that is actually artwork from Kakatiya dynasty. So for prelims you need to study about this Kakatiya dynasty that is belong to the 12th century CE, and they ruled from Warangal from 1083 to 1322. There are hundreds of Hindu temples built under the patronage of Kakatiya kings like Jnanapati Deva, Rudrama Deva, Prataparudra, and 1000 pillar temples are belong to this belong and found in Telangana. So this is a star-shaped triple shrine, that is Trikutalayam, dedicated to Vishnu, Shiva and Surya. Ramappa Temple, Warangal, Telangana. Golconda Fort in Hyderabad. Later it became the capital of Qutub Shahi kings. India reports a record of 93% DPT-3 immunization cover in 2022, said by WHO. So the coverage rate of DPT-3, which is the third dose of diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus vaccine, that arises an all-time high of 93%. Previously in pre-pandemic it was 91%. So this was said by WHO. So DPT are also called DTP, DTWP, that refers to a class of combined vaccines, which means it protects diseases for one or more against 3 infectious diseases that is caused by human diphtheria, whooping cough and tetanus. D means diphtheria, T means tetanus and P means pertussis. These 3 are serious bacterial diseases. Diphtheria and pertussis spread from person to person, while tetanus enters the body through cuts and wounds. So diphtheria is a disease with a high fatality chance, and the symptoms include a formation of greyish membrane covering the tonsils and upper part of throat. Pertussis is a common disease, that is cough, that is starts from deep inhalations. Tetanus is also known as locked jaw, that affects the central nervous system and the motor functions will be difficult. So thank you. If you have any queries related to current affairs, feel free to contact this number. And we are about to start the dedicated monthly current affairs classes in the month of August. So to enroll for that, kindly contact this number. Have a great day.